In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue where your videos on TikTok are not showing to others. The first thing you want to do is launch open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Now select the option of privacy. Here you want to make sure that private account is turned off. If it's on, toggle this option off. If it's on, only your followers can see your video. Next thing you want to do is head back over to your settings, scroll down a bit and find free up space. Now tap on the clear cache option. Tap on clear. After that, you will find the option of downloads. Tap on clear here as well and tap on clear again to confirm. Once that is done, you want to head back. Now open up the video where you're not getting any views. Here you want to tap on the three dots. Now tap on the option of privacy settings. Then set who can watch this video to everyone. If it's set to friends or only me, others won't see it. Make sure that when uploading a new video, you make the settings everyone as well. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.